For number 7, the line L1 pass through the points A 2,5 and B 10,9. Line L2 and L1 is parallel and passes through the origin. So the L2 passes through the origin. Origin means is 0, 0. The point C lies on the L2, such as AC is perpendicular to L2. Find the coordinate of the C. Okay, so we have, let's say we have this L1 is perpendicular, is parallel to L2, and then we have the lies on the this. So let us say this is the C, and then it's perpendicular to L2. It's A. So we have to find the gradient first. So the gradient from AB, this is the M1. I write down the gradient, the first gradient. 9 minus 5 over 10 minus 2. So I got, this is 4 over 8, or is 1 over 2. And then it says parallel, so this L2, the gradient also half. So I can find this L2 is y equals to mx plus c. So y equals to half x plus c. And then it says the origin, so I can substitute the y and x 0. 0 equals to half times 0 plus c. So the c equals to 0. So I have the equation of L2 is equals to half x. And then it says that AC is perpendicular to L2. So the AC gradient will be half times the gradient of AC equals to minus 1. So the gradient of AC equals to minus 2. So we can get this, the perpendicular. So y equals to mx plus c. So y equals to minus 2x plus c. And then this 2,5 from the AC. So the y is 5 equals to minus 2 times 2 plus c. So c equals to 9. So we have the equation of AC, y equals to minus 2x plus 9. From here, we find the C using the point of intersection with L2. L2, we know it is y equals to half x, and AC is this one. So we change or substitute the y become half x. So half x equals to minus 2x plus 9. Here I will get the x is 3,6, 3.6. And then if the x 3.6, so I can find the y equals to half times 3.6. So it equals to 1.8. So the coordinate of the AC, I mean the coordinate of C will be 3.6, 1.8. That's for the first one. And then for the second one, we want to find the distance of AC. We have AC this, we have C this, and then the A is 2,5. So the distance of AC equals to square root 2 minus 3.6 square plus with 5 minus 1.8 square. So from here, I can get the AC equals to this times this 3.58. That is for the number 7. For number 8, because this is a factor, so I will not discuss about this. So we shall go to number 9 directly. For number 9, the function of fx is 3 minus 4 times cos the power of kx. And then we have the limit of the x is until pi. So it's until 180 degree. In the case of k equals to 2, find the range of f. So if we see this angle of x is only from quadrant 1 until quadrant 2 only. If we see from the quadrant, for the cos, it is minus. And then the cos will be positive. So we can get the value when the cos x equals to 1. So the fx will be 3 minus 4 times 1, the power of the k, it says 2. So, so 3 minus 4. So it equals to minus 1. Or when cos x equals to minus 1. So the fx will be 3 minus 4 times minus 1, the power of 2. So 3 minus 4 times 1. So it equals to minus 1. But we have to try how if the cos x equals to 0. Cos x when equals to 0. So when cos x equals to 0, so the fx will be 3 minus 4 times 0 squared. So we can get 3. So the range of f is from where? From minus 1 fx until 3. Find the exact solution of the equation fx equals to 1. So for the b, fx equals to 1. So fx we change it become 3 minus 4 cos the k is 2 cos square x equals to 1. I move 3 to the right side. So minus 4 cos square x equals to minus 2. I move the minus 4, so I go cos square x equals to 1 over 2. So I have cos x equals to plus minus square root 1 over 2. So let us say when I delete this first, when the cos x equals to, let's say, positive square root half, we shall get the x, it is 45 degree, or we can call it 1 over 4 pi radian. And then when we try this, cos x equals to minus square root 1 over 2. So we shall get the x equals to, so from here I can get 135 degree, or we can call it 3 over 4 pi radian. So that is for the first part. And now for the second part, in the case k equals to 1, sketch the graph y equals to fx. So fx equals to 3 minus 4 cos x. So we know the midline, it is 3. So we try to draw it. The midline here, let us say it is here, is 3. And then the amplitude here is minus 4. Normally, the cos graph from here, let us say this is 3. And then this is the amplitude, it's like this. But because it is minus, so we have to start from the bottom. And we have this amplitude value, it is 4. So it's until here minus 1. And then the upside, it will be until 7, the maximum. This is 4. This is 4. So we start from the bottom here. And then we drag it till here, like this. And here we can get the period because there is no coefficient in the x, so the period will be 360 degree. But here our limit is only until pi, so 180 degree. So we only take half of it. So it is 180 degree. For the B, state with a reason whether f has inverse. Based on the graph, it is like this. How to know it has inverse or not? We see that there is no turning point here. Or we can use the other way. If we use random horizontal test, if it does not cross 2 points of the graph, it's only cross 1 point here, 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 only 1 point when we do the random horizontal test. So it means it has inverse. So remember, when we want to find it has inverse or not, we use horizontal line test. Okay, that is for 9b.